So whoever have the PDF document, the first content I have mentioned like SAP MM course content. So if you join any training or normally when you join for any SAP MM training, okay, few people may not cover all the topics or few may cover the topics, but 01 to 09 will cover you the end-to-end SAP MM topics, the most of the topics like from the organization structure to till the miscellaneous topics like we have this background job creation or data migration related. Okay, so all the topics are covered from 01 to 09. But why two links are provided? The first four topics, that 01, 2, 4, 6, those four topics we have the download access, so that I put it in one folder. And the remaining five, you cannot download the videos, but you can download the documents. So those documents are given download access. And also I provided respect to download files in separate folder also. I will show you that. So you can see 01 to 09. So if anybody is preparing SAP MM for the first time, the content one means these two links, you need at least 2 months of time, 1.5 to 2 months of time. You need to learn from organization structure, then master data, then purchasing, automatic account determination, then inventory, okay, then special procurements, integrations. Okay, you to learn all those topics, you need 1.5 to 2 months of time. So before going to 2, 3, 4, all those things, you should complete the SAP MM course content. Okay, you can access the both the links. First link contains 01 and 02. Come to second link and complete 03. After that, go to 04. Okay, so these two links you need to cover 01 to 09 topics. Any questions about that, you can send in a chat about the major content. For example, if you take our complete content, 70%, 60 to 70% of the content is available in number one. These two links contain our 60 to 70% of the content. The main course to understand what is SAP MM. Whether you want to become SAP MM consultant, or you want to become a business analyst, or else you want to become any project management or a client side role. Okay, you wanted to handle any role in your client itself. You know, right, that the domain companies also recruit people who have SAP knowledge to handle as a project lead. For example, you are going to implement S4HANA, or you want to migrate from ECC to S4HANA. So then what your company is going to do, your company is going to recruit certain people who have SAP knowledge and also strong business knowledge, so that they can share that information clearly to the IT team. Okay, they can easily ask that IT team, okay, whatever the data is available and what kind of requirements are there. So you can utilize your SAP skills for that also. You can watch our video, SAP domain employees, like suggestions to SAP domain employees by Ganesh Padala. Okay, you can watch that video. You can share with your colleagues or friends who are working in different organizations. Okay. So let's see the chart. Any questions about the main content? Yeah, I'm recording the session. I will share with all of you. Okay.
Yeah, excuse me, sir. Myself, Ishwari here.
Yeah.
So for the second one, no download folder. I don't have that access to PDF separate folder.
Okay, okay. I will show you that. I put in one folder where you have that all the Word documents. Okay. I will show you that.
Okay. Okay.
Can we download the spreadsheet given by LSNW? Okay. Okay. I will check that one. The spreadsheet also available, or else I will note down that Muttu. I will try to arrange that Word document. Okay. I can highlight also. Okay. You can always check the drive. Sometimes I used to add some new documents or something. So you don't get any notifications when I add any new data. Okay. What you are going to get is that information. For example, I think you all people please mute yourself. Google Drive. Okay. So the second folder, what are the documents I will show you. So these are the questions about the content one. Okay. This is the main content. The complete course is covered here. And second is discussion videos. Once you complete that main courses, okay, for example, even during 01, 02, after completion of 01, 02, 03 also, you can come here. Okay. Because this has the setup. I have directly given that I have directly given the YouTube link itself because I uploaded everything on YouTube. Okay. So you can easily find out those videos. Okay. Thanks. Okay. So in the doubts videos, people are interacting sessions are there. For example, they would have asked the questions on material master or a vendor master info record. Okay. You can find the doubt sessions. Okay. This is, you can consider like a revision or kind of clearing your doubts, not the course content. Okay. You have to understand that 01 to 09 are the core syllabus, what you're going to learn. At least it will take 1.5 to 2 months if you give every day 3 to 4 hours or 2 hours at least. Okay, if you are giving more time, it may not take 2 months of time. Okay, because the videos are with you and SAP server is with you to practice. Okay, so you can plan in that way. And the doubts videos, you can come anytime. There is no rule that you have to complete everything, these two links, then only come here. Like I mentioned, after completion of 01, 02, 03, you can come here and you can search like purchasing, master data. You can use that keywords to search and find the relevant doubts videos. Okay, that's what you have to utilize. There are some 40 plus videos are there, but you don't have to check inventory management or whatever. First you wanted to check only organization structure, master data. You can check it. Later you finish purchasing and automatic account determination. Then you search related doubt sessions videos. Okay. Then you complete 05 inventory management. Okay, then invoice verification, then search related doubts videos. So like that, you have to use this second concept. Okay, doubts videos. Later, once you have completed that doubts videos and all, you have to come to the latest content I mentioned about the IDocs and change requests. This content is mostly available for the people who have taken the content in last 3 to 4 months or the earlier people who ever joined this session, and you can send an email about this content, the number 3, okay, which is not available with you. This one, if you want to learn about the change request, if you go to any project, any interview, okay, they will ask you what kind of support tickets you have handled. Okay, definitely if you are going with some, after getting 4 years or 5 years of experience, mostly they will highlight about change request. Even 3 years also they can highlight. I try to mention few of the change requests, what is the business requirement and how you have handled that respect to request, and what are the activities are done as a functional consultant. All those things are explained. And also IDocs. Okay, what are the different types of IDocs we have and how to handle that. Okay, the config setup, testing, all those stuff are explained in these videos. Coming to number 4. Number 4 is the heart of our content. So why our content was more popular and it helped hundreds of people to get the jobs by taking the people who have taken the content, and many people would have taken content from me, and some people would have taken from any pirated, because our content was getting pirated also, unfortunately. But it happens because the people, few friends, maybe they may share with their friends, but that friends may do the business. So there are a lot of things are there. So our content, especially this real-time content, the course content, most of the content might be available in different trainers and all, but I provided this real-time content where you can get these sample documents of sample blueprints, sample function specifications, gap analysis documents, test scripts. Okay, so all those stuff are available in real-time content. This one you have to go through at the last. And some people, the way of their understanding, okay, they want to know what I'm going to do as a consultant once I learn it. If you want to learn that, you are eager to learn that concept, you can directly come to point 4 first and watch all the videos. Technically you cannot understand what Ganesh is talking about, tables, functional modules, and test scripts. What are different terminologies, you may not be very clear. Okay, But you can understand that, okay, if I get a job as a support consultant, these are my roles and responsibilities. If I get a job as a implementation consultant, then I have to do these responsibilities. So that knowledge is going to be available in point number 4. In this link, you are going to get that. I generally suggest the people first to learn what is SAP MM, what functionalities are given by SAP MM, and then you can watch later. Okay. In between also you can check it, because the point number 4 is not about something you have to practice in your system more. Okay. 20 to 30% is maybe some tables or those things, things you can test it, but most of the things you don't do it. Okay. You are going to learn about the roles and responsibilities and how to prepare for interviews. All those things are explained in point number 4. First, you know what is material, what is purchase order, what is goods receipt. So then if you can come, then you can get a better idea. But if you want to know about roles and responsibilities in advance, then you can come to point 4. Okay. Later, this SCN links. I collected some of the links of SAP official site, where you can see few matured or a few business cases, or some of the experts or SAP consultants have provided a post on SAP SCN, where you can find that some requirement and solution, some issue and solution. So these things you can consider like your support tickets or your enhancements, where what you have worked. Okay. So such kind of knowledge you can get from here. So to go to the point 5, you should be good in point number 1 to 4. Okay. We have mainly 5 sections here. Section 1, the course content, the base. Okay. To learn about SAP MM completely. Number 2, it will resolve your doubts. Number 3, the latest content, change requests and iDocs. Number 4, it's about the real-time content, to know about the roles of a consultant, to know about interview preparation, and to know about the type of questions and how to use the respect to real-time knowledge to imagine how the project goes. And if you are in the project, what kind of activities you are going to do, all those things you are going to learn in point 4. Finally, the point 5, just to get it, the whatever the content is available in this section, you are going to see certain kind of solutions and issues, new requirements from this link. So that can be used for you to enhance your maturity levels. Okay. So please don't encourage the piracy. Okay, if anybody needs, you can send an email to me, and whatever, if they have any financial concerns or anything, that we can discuss and we can do something. But please don't encourage piracy. And I think you are getting my free free Udemy courses. Okay, so I'm going to share sometimes the free links. Please enroll and provide your review, because we are growing on Udemy. Your ratings and your reviews will be helpful for me to grow. And YouTube videos, as now we have 300 plus videos. Many YouTube videos are not available in this content. Certain kind of a small interview questions, or certain kind of topics which come to my mind. So you have to always go through the YouTube videos also, because you don't find certain questions or certain videos in this content. So you always follow the YouTube videos for the latest updates. Okay, before going to the questions and the content in Drive, I want to highlight one thing. Some people will ask for that one. I have a very quick time, or else I'm preparing SAP MM like a crash course. Okay, what are the topics I can ignore at the initial point of time? Okay, I will explain here. I hope you know our blog also. We are going to check that content and all. See, there is no choice and all, but yes, when you are going with little bit uh, kind of way, so we can have certain kind of data. See, organization structure and master data. procure to pay process, purchasing, automatic account, 1 to 4, even 1 to 5, you cannot skip. Okay. 6 also you cannot skip. Although logistics invoice verification in few projects, mostly finance will handle. Few projects MM will handle, but with the help, with some integration, some interactions with finance. So 1 to 5, 100% you have to learn. As an MM consultant, 1 to 5, you don't have any option to skip it. Okay, like like we in our exams also we prepare, right? Some important questions we prepare and certain things we miss it, like that. So 1 to 5 you don't miss. 6, the second category, you can, second category, sometimes invoice verification questions may not be asked to MM consultant. So still, if you have a time, I don't want to give any choice or any kind of shortcut methods, but 1 to 5, 100% is required. Logistics invoice verification, I can say logistic invoice verification, I can say maybe 70% is required. Okay, this is only just for your the people who are looking for too much shortcuts. They don't learn everything. Okay, so for such kind of people only, little bit. Then special procurement. In special procurement, what happens? The subcontracting, STO. Okay, the STO and subcontracting. These two are, you should know very well. Return transport packaging, maybe you can consider like 50-50. Okay, if you have a time, you can. And the blanket also 50-50. Pipeline 50-50. Consignment, again, it is interviews mostly focus on that area. Service procurement 100%, consignment 100, STO 100, import 70 to 100, like that. Okay, so if you really want to give some kind of, if you don't have a time, if you want to revise and all, RTP, blanket, pipeline are less priority. Remaining all, I think it's good. And coming to miscellaneous. Miscellaneous, again, you need to go through. You don't have any choice. Okay, but miscellaneous, for the people who have going with 4+, 5+ years of experience, you have to cover. But people who are going with 2 years, 3 years and all, vendor sub-range, batch management, split valuation, you can keep less what you call the time on this area. Okay, LSMW, mostly they will ask you have to go through. And MMWM integration, it's completely an optional. If you are going with any kind of WM role also, the business is expecting at that point of time, you can go through this MMWM integration. Otherwise, maybe you can consider like an optional subject. Okay, it's not a mandatory. MMSD integration or MMWM, MMFI 100% you will get it, and MMSD and MMWM depends on the role and depends on the interviewer, it can come. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to share this recording video, so you can go through that 70%, 50%. That is only for the satisfaction of the people who want to filter. For example, you have only 2 days of time. I cannot say that when every topic is important. At that point of time, if you want to really go to certain kind of filtration, whatever suggestions I can, whatever I have given, that you can utilize it. But don't say that when Ganesh has told that split valuation is choice, that but the interviewer is asking split valuation. Okay, I always tell them whatever content I prepared, everything you have to go through. But when you have certain kind of plan, but the first thing is the job description. You have to go through the job description, whether they are asking more on inventory management or they are asking more on procurement. Okay, they're asking about MMWM integration or MMSD integration. So the JD, you have to plan your preparation. You cannot go like always same stone for everything. Okay, it cannot be like that. Based on the job description, you can little bit mitigate it. But 1 to 5 is 100% is mandatory. But when it comes to 6, 7, 8, 9, these inside topics are there, right? The inside MM content. So those things you can little bit change the plan based on the job description. Okay. In real time, always you have to watch multiple times our videos, the interview questions, 300+ interview questions, and our 14+ mock interviews. Before interview, at least you watch for 3-4 hours of time. You watch multiple times and you can prepare. Okay. Coming to the drive, mostly the people are getting these two folders. Okay, you are getting mostly the two folders are getting. SAP MM content contains this no download, whatever mentioned this 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you can see all the people who mentioned that the Word document they are not able to download. Here I have put that folder. You can download this folder. Okay. And the latest content, which is related to change request, latest mock. Okay. The last 4 months people, 3 to 4 months people are having this content. If anybody joined before 3 months or 4 months, you can send an email. I can share the details of that. The real time, the complete real time is available here. This is the first folder. It contains only this MM videos. Okay. In the MM videos 1 to 4.6 are available. So MM videos for 1 to 4.6 and another folder for 5, 7, 8, 9, 3. Okay. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. So this is about MM content. And the second important is real time. This folder contains mock interviews. This was some S4HANA collection. Okay, you can go through. And the GST, if you are working in an Indian project, then only you can go through this content. IDoc, it's a document, but already we made videos. You can go through that area. And all the Word documents of this folder, because videos are having certain kind of restrictions, right? So I put all the Word documents in this folder. You can download it. And most important, I want to highlight sample templates. When it comes to this sample templates folder, blueprint are available here. Function specifications are available here. Sample profile, KDS document, roles and authorization. Okay. Certain kind of what is stock upload templates, open PO template. Okay. Gap analysis template, SIT script. Okay. The total our SAP methodology, the PPT is available here. You just go through and see that each name. Okay. You can understand what exactly available in the content. Okay. Let's see any questions are available. I will definitely plan sometimes these kind of sessions. Okay, maybe. Yeah, if I add any new content, you don't get the notification. So always you keep an eye on your content. Any new files are added because you will see the time which was added latest. Yeah, new content. Yeah, rise of details are available. The developments file in real time. I think number 5 is the developments that you can check it. HU, I didn't make any professional videos. If anybody needs that WM content, who have taken the WM content, and if you need that handling unit management, you can send an email to me. Storage unit management already covered. Okay, storage unit management is already available in our content. Okay. Okay, we are going to close. Somebody asking some question. Can you repeat once?
Yeah, Ganesh. Yeah, good morning. So in the interview, everyone is asking like, do you have S4 HANA experience? So although if he doesn't have any S4 HANA to get the job or to convince the interviewer, at least if you can do a video on like what are the main differences and what are the tables got merged. So if you can do 2-3 videos, it will be helpful. Like some transactions got absolute in ECC. So
I will try to plan that area, and we have some collection of documents that one. Okay, I will share the link to all the members. Okay. Yeah, I think I will share that to all the members. Right? I have some content related to that collection of changes and all. I will share with all of you. Okay. And I will send some any free link kind of a thing also. And yeah, that's why S4HANA differences, you focus on that area. Okay. Let me send to all the members who have joined this session and also who are not able to join. I have the set of emails. Okay. Some S4HANA collection, I have done that, like some documents or differences okay, the business partner or a Mad Dog table, okay, those kind of things. I made some kind of collection, so I will share with all of you. Okay, definitely you can go through. I hope it will be helpful. And if you have any ideas or if you have certain topics, okay, not just the technical things, maybe we have already 300 plus videos are there. In that almost 260 to 70 videos are related to technical only. Something like just now you mentioned that S4 HANA, how to talk to the interviewer. Okay, I learned the basics of S4 HANA. I read it. Okay, you can try to do the certification. Okay, and you can show the certification as an added value along with your SAP MM. Okay, so such kind of a tips or anything, if you have anything points, you can shoot an email or you can send as a YouTube comment also, so that I will check it and I will plan for the further videos. Okay, to all of you, again I'm requesting 300 plus videos are there. Okay, because we are a full-time employee and we work and we do all those things. We cannot keep something marketing to uh, push our videos to the people. Okay, so most of the content, the popular videos are already going to the people, but all of you, at least monthly, at one video, no need to take more videos. Monthly one video each person can share on their LinkedIn or WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups and all. I'm not available in all those groups, but LinkedIn and YouTube I'm active in that areas. Okay, so please share. And Udemy, you would have got my free links also. You can spend 10 minutes of time today because we discussed. So I think you remember well. Maybe you can forget after 2 3 days. Spend 10 minutes of time to provide the Udemy reviews. I hope I can see some big jump today. And coming to the SAP job openings, I think I used to share on my YouTube community. If you are following my YouTube community, just go to our channel and go to YouTube community. I shared some LinkedIn one profile who always shares SAP openings that you can go through. I hope it will be helpful for all of you. And follow YouTube community. Sometimes I also share the YouTube openings, SAP openings on our YouTube community. A few managers share that openings, or certain recruiters share it. Whatever I know, I used to share that. Okay. The WhatsApp group and Telegram groups, if you go to Facebook and all, a lot of groups are there. People are sharing, you can join that. I'm not in any groups. I cannot have, because that's very tough to manage and available in the, already we have the YouTube and it became a lot of things I'm doing for that. And second priority I give to LinkedIn. Okay. So these two areas I'm already handling. So these active groups, very difficult to manage. Okay. So I'm not in that. You can check in Facebook. There are many things that are available. Okay. uh, I'm a fresher. Yeah, these kind of career suggestions, you can send an email. I'm always happy to reply. Technical things, I'm getting this error while practicing and all. I cannot, because that's a regular activity. You can copy that error message and Google to find that answers. But as somebody asked me, like, I'm fresher, how to try for SAP MM jobs, such kind of any things, you can send an email. If I get common questions, I will try to make a video. Okay. Yeah, our content is more than enough to get a job, 3 4 years of experience. And once you feel that I'm pretty confident on our content, please spend few minutes time to go through the wiki links which I have given. Okay, thanks everyone for joining the session. And I'm going to see at least 50 Udemy reviews we are going to increase because of you people. I'm going to share the Udemy, what do you call, free links also. Thanks again for joining. I hope this session is helpful to all of you. I'm going to share that video. Okay, maybe after some time, I will share the video to all of you. Keep following our YouTube community, because any information or any ideas I used to share there. Okay, because that is the platform. We cannot send email to the people, all the people. Okay, so follow our YouTube community and also follow on LinkedIn. I hope it will be helpful. Thank you. Thanks for joining.